If you want to get always on a display on a Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is you can download a third-party app that allows you to get AOD on this phone. Unfortunately, we don't have a built-in always on display, so we can open the Play Store, then use the search option at the bottom, then the search field at the top, and we can search for always on a display. Always on display. There we go. Then you should be able to find many example apps that, at least in theory, should allow you to use AOD. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, Movies Edge. I used this app before and I think it's pretty cool. It has a pretty solid selection of different AODs. But feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. Just give it a try and see which one you like the most. Now let me show you how to set this one up. We're gonna open it, then tap on Draw Over Apps over here. Wait for the next menu to appear. There we go. And in here we need to choose the Movies Edge app. There we go. And you want to allow this app to be displayed over other apps. And let's go back. All right, now here we should be able to switch to AOD. And now we have the selection of different always on display styles. And you will notice that in some cases we have this star, which means that the theme is premium. Many of these options are free. There are a couple of premium options that you have to pay for. There's also the option to customize these always on display styles. However, most of the time the customization is actually not for free, unfortunately. So if I try to edit something and if I made any change, then unfortunately now I can't really save it. I would have to pay for that. But still, even the standard selection is pretty solid. So if you find the AOD that you wish to use, we can also go to backgrounds, for example, in order to try to find something else. There are also a couple of controls that you want to, of course, manage. But once you find the AOD that you wish to use, then just simply tap on the apply button. Now, let's actually exit this. And what we can also do is we can go to settings and we can proceed to always on a display. Because over here we can grant all these required permissions. So tap over here on this text, go to other permissions. Now here I need to simply go to home screen shortcuts and we need to choose always allow. The rest is enabled, it looks like. If not, then of course we can go back and go over there. Just make sure that everything is enabled. There we go. It should be all granted. Hopefully now it is going to work. Unfortunately, it still doesn't work to show, so let me try to toggle it. But it seems that it should work anyway. Now over here we have the option to decide how we want to show on lock screen, so we can choose to always display the AOD. We have while charging or on music. I'm just gonna choose always. Here we have the brightness. I'm gonna actually increase it a little bit. We have the timeout, which I'm gonna set to, let's say, 30 seconds. I don't think 5 minutes is necessary. We have low power, orientation, close on, so we can double tap. I'm just gonna single tap actually. And we have close on fingerprint, close on screen off, but that should be pretty much all. So now let's give it a try. Let's lock the phone and let's see if it's going to display. Yeah, there we go, it shows up. And if you of course want to, you can just close it again. That shouldn't be the problem. Usually you can just tap when the screen is off, I believe, or if you go to the lock screen you can actually tap in order to close the AOD or double tap, depending on that setting that we had before, to show the lock screen in case you wanted to, for example, unlock your phone with the screen lock password or something. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.